To finish this worksheet, we're going to write the equations in standard form. That means the x term has to be in front, then the y, then the equals, then the number. So the first thing we want to do is make sure the x term is in front. So in problem 13, go ahead and subtract the 3/2 x to the other side. Next, the x term, the coefficient, is not allowed to be a fraction and it's not allowed to be negative. So our denominator is 2, so we want to multiply everything by a 2 in order to eliminate that denominator. And we also want to multiply by a negative so that the negative eliminates 2. So now multiply -2 times -3/2, what do we get? Then -2 times the y, and then -2 times -1/2. And now we are in standard form. Try 14. First, add your x term over to the other side and put it in front. Once you do that, you need to multiply a number through in order to eliminate your denominators. Notice my denominators are 2 and 4. You want to multiply everything by the least common multiple of 2 and 4, which is just the 4. So now multiply 4 through to everything and write your final answer. Let's move on to 15. Again, we want to move your x term in front, and then we want to multiply a number through. This time we have a decimal. We only have one decimal place. And notice the number goes into the 10th position. So what you want to multiply is by 10. So once you move your x term over, go ahead and multiply everything by 10. And I'd like you to try 16 on your own. Finally, for the graphs, what you would like to do is make a T-chart and place the zeros on the diagonal. Now put the 0 in for the y term and figure out what x would equal. Then put 0 in for the x term and solve for the y. Then you will plot both of those numbers on the x and y axis and connect the lines. You'll do the same for 18.